Hello world! This is our one-man changing station. It's pretty good size. We use it whenever we go camping, and when we're camping in a place that doesn't have a toilet, well, we have our own. It goes in there. Or
well, you might mention it's a portable toilet that can fit inside.
It is. It's a portable toilet. It's also Michael's reading room. So it has many uses. I'm going to show you how to fold it up, because this is the part that a lot of people don't quite get. You just go like that. Now we got a flat. Here's the tricky part. Step here. Pull this back. Get all the leaves off it. And then you very gently, see how it wants to fold in on itself? You just let it. And you let it. And then you step off of it. And there it is!
Yay!
And then it goes back in its little bag. See you later.